Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce storage latency with MinIO step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current storage setup and identifying potential bottlenecks. Install MinIO on your chosen server or cloud environment, following the official documentation. Ensure that your system meets the minimum hardware requirements for optimal performance. Configure MinIO with appropriate settings for your specific use case. Use high-performance disks or SSDs to achieve lower latency for storage operations. Set up a caching layer to reduce the number of direct disk accesses. Leverage the MinIO client, MC, to manage your MinIO instance efficiently. Create and configure buckets tailored to your data access patterns. Consider enabling erasure coding to improve data reliability without significant latency increases. Implement network optimizations, such as tuning TCP settings and using faster network interfaces. Enable compression for stored objects to reduce data transfer times. Utilize MinIO's multi-part upload feature to enhance upload speeds for large files. Set up load balancing to distribute requests across multiple MinIO instances, ensuring higher availability. Regularly monitor your storage performance using MinIO's built-in analytics and metrics. Analyze and adjust configuration settings based on performance reports and usage patterns. Test different configurations in a staging environment before applying changes to production. Continually optimize your storage strategy as your data needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.